Hello everyone, it's Kathy here, and today we're going to learn how to create a chain stitch. So to begin with, what you'll need is some wool and a crochet hook. I'm using a 4mm crochet hook and 8 ply wool. So to begin with, you're going to make a slip knot, and I've got a video demonstrating this and I'll have that in the description box below. So I'm separating the wool, and once you've done that, you'll have the long strand of wool in your left hand and the short strand in your right hand. And once you've done that, you'll wrap the wool around to the front and then slide the hook through, pulling through that loop, through the loop which is already on the hook, and that forms a stitch. And so I'll do that again. Wrap the wool around to the front, slide the hook, grab the wool and slide it through the loop, and that forms a stitch. And you can see that this is what it looks like, 2 V's, and we've got 2 stitches. There's 2 V's on the wool. So we'll do it again. Wrap it around to the front, pull it through, and that's the stitch. And once you've done a few, you'll get into a rhythm and it becomes easier. So wrap around to the front, pull it through, and there's the stitch. And you'll see those V's. We've got 4 stitches, 4 V's on the wool. So wrap around, slide the hook, grab the wool, pull it through the loop. Wrap around to the front, slide the hook, grab the loop, pull it through the stitch which is already on the hook. And you'll get faster. And what's really important is that you'll get your own technique, and it's really important that you don't make it too tight. And you can see that here are some stitches, and that's how you create a chain stitch. Thanks so much and have a great day.